Well, it's Saturday, and Saturdays, you know, we work for tool money, extra money, or whatever. It's just a non-pressure day. I work half a days. Today's a small land clearing job. They cut all the trees, a homeowner did, coming out here, and we priced it for 3 hours worth of work, and we've got 60 stumps. And I'll show you what the average sizes are. This is what we're looking at there. The whole place is loaded up with, these are oaks. Actually, a lot of them are blackjacks. There are some of them 6-inch, 6 to 10 inch, 12 inch over there. But there's 60 of them here. Actually 65, I counted them all. So I price this a little differently. You know, I give them I just look at it and I know what I can do in hourly. So I'm gonna be here 3 hours. I won't discuss prices. My son's already grinding over there. I don't tell prices over the internet because, you know, different parts of the country, there's different prices. You know, if you're on the West Coast, you're on the East Coast, you get a different price than I get here. But I'm making very good money. I'll just tell you, the very minimum I price stuff at by the hour is $300 an hour. And some of you are gonna laugh, say, oh, that's too cheap or whatever, but I'm in and out of here. This is not hard on my machine. All right, and so this is my Saturday money. All right, so I gave the lady a deal, and the reason why I gave her a deal is behind that house, I got about 3 more Saturdays at different quadrants of time she'll call me for the same deal. Come out here for 3 hours, bam, bam on a Saturday, bam, bam on a Saturday. And my son enjoys it, you know. It's cooler today, the weather is kind of gloomy, but hey, you know. So some people, you price it one way, I price it this way, so don't base the pricing on me, okay? Please don't. You know, some parts of the country you probably might not be able to get that. So people might look at you and say, $300 an hour. You gotta remember, I got insurance, I got teeth, I got wear and tear and stuff like that, but we're knocking this stuff out like nothing, right? And I really won't even be here 3 hours. Near the end, I'll tell you how long we've been here. Thanks. Well, it's been an hour and 20 minutes. Hour and 20 minutes to finish this job. 68 stumps. And so he's all done. He's all done. He's just walking over to double check some stuff. And we'll load up. And I did this job in 3 hours. So we've done well, you know. Listen, unless you're experienced at this, be careful when you bid a job like I just bid, okay? Because you're doing this a long time. So, but this job could have been done with a small machine also. Probably with a 252, you'd have been out here 4 hours. And I'm not doing any raking. All I'm doing is grinding and going. That's all I'm doing. They're going to come in here. They got a guy working on the property right now. They'll do all the raking, all the cleaning, get rid of all the whatever. You know, because there's still logs, remnants of logs around. So I don't do that part, you know. I'm old. You know what I'm talking about. Son's over there double checking. I think he found one more little one over there, so it's not even part of this quadrant we're supposed to do, but he wants to do it now, so you don't have to do it later. So yeah, 3 hour bid, done in an hour and 20 minutes. So anyway, it's Memorial Day weekend. I'm gonna try. Hopefully you will too. I'll do some maintenance and stuff. Probably on Memorial Day. I just get up early in the shop, do some maintenance stuff. And God bless you all and have a good one, okay?